that. I'm gonna try to take a bite of that. This is from the Cheesecake Factory. This is my first time ever trying this. It didn't even need the extra chocolate sauce. It reminds me of the cake from Matilda. Look at all the chocolate ganache. This is so rich. This is so messy. This is just the top layer. Milk. And that's breakfast, lunch, and dinner for me. Look at that. It's full of chocolate chips. Cheesecake Factory chocolate cake. The rich chocolate ganache on top is so good, and I love the big dollop on top. And the back is covered in chocolate chips. Cheesecake Factory chocolate cake. The chocolate chips does something. Oh my god, this is actually really good. That's a 10. I think it's a 10. I say it's a 10. We got a cake today. First bite for you. I'm gonna go ahead and cut me a slice and then save the rest for Asia. So that's good, y'all. Yo, I'm raw dogging this cake. I don't have any milk or anything. Y'all, this is literally the only thing I've eaten today. Cake. But it's so good. In my stomach. I can't have nothing sweet this whole week. Y'all, I'm so stupid. This whole time, this video is because I hit 2 million. Like, thank y'all. Y'all, I cut this piece off so somebody else can eat this part. But it's my last bite. Thank y'all so much for 2 million. I love y'all so much. Y'all don't even understand. Like, I love y'all so much. I would not be where I am today without y'all. Like, thank y'all so much. Thank y'all. This bite for y'all. This is for you. Eat. Here, eat. I'm just playing.
Trying Cheesecake Factory's cakes, starting with Linda's fudge cake. Chocolate overload, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Let's try the side with all the chocolate chips. Wow. A chocolate lover's dream, 11 out of 10. You guys, toasted marshmallow s'mores galore. Oh my goodness. You can see the toasted marshmallow. Let's get a bite of cheesecake with some whipped cream, a little bit of toasted marshmallow, a little bit of graham cracker. Wait, the toasted marshmallow flavor. They know what they're doing. 10 out of 10. All the s'mores flavors are there, and it's not too cheesecakey. This is perfect. Reese's peanut butter chocolate cake cheesecake. This one looks insane. Who am I kidding? They all look insane. I'm gonna get some of this on top. That peanut butter flavor is strong, as it should be, because it's literally Reese's peanut butter cake. It has this layer of actual cake, which adds to the texture. 9 out of 10. If you love Reese's peanut butter cups, you will love this. You honestly just can't go wrong at Cheesecake Factory.
I have the cutest cakes in my hands right now. Hold up. Each slice is a different flavor. Let's try the strawberry milk cream first. Have a bite. The presentation is everything. Just try to get that strawberry. That's a 10. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, I don't know how to say the name. This one is called Mugwort Jeremy. I did not expect the inside to look like that. I've never had anything like this. This is so interesting. I would give this one an 8.5. This one is called Pure Milk Cream. It's a solid vanilla milk cream cake. I like it. 9 out of 10. We got this black sesame cake. If you like black sesame and coffee, you're gonna like this. I would give this a 10. Okay, this one is called green grape yogurt. Okay. Oh, there's grapes inside right here. Okay. It literally just tastes like yogurt with grape and some cake. I'm not sure what this is called, so I don't know what this is supposed to be. 7 out of 10. Overall, I give Haru cake a 9 out of 10. Chocolate cake mukbang.
We got ourselves cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Let's pour some milk. This first one I've been looking forward to for a long time. It is the Oreo Dream Extreme. Now that's fire. I wonder how this works. Oh, that's gonna fall off. 9.3 out of 10. Explosive chocolate Oreo taste. Next up we have Cinnabon Cinnamon Swirl. I think this is actually tiramisu, my bad. Definitely tiramisu. .2 out of 10. It had a really strong coffee taste with a little bit of chocolate. This is Adam's Peanut Butter Cup Fudge Ripple. That's a lot of peanut butter. .8 out of 10. Super dense, holy buckets. A little overpowering on the peanut butter, but still very, very good. The Celebration cheesecake. Shout out Brayden. He said it tasted like Neapolitan ice cream, and I agree. That's what it tastes like. That's not really my thing. I'd give it a 5 out of 10. Cinnabon Cinnamon Swirl flavor. That's fire. It tastes just like the classic cinnamon roll flavor at Cinnabon, but in cheesecake form. .8 out of 10. Very cherry Ghirardelli chocolate. 6.4 out of 10. I don't know if anyone's ever had Ben & Jerry's Cherry Garcia flavor. It kind of tasted like that. It was decent, but it wasn't my favorite, that's for sure.
Red velvet cake mukbang. Here's the front, and this is the back. The wooden spoon, it's an essential. That cream cheese frosting though. Bye, you guys. And then chocolate cake. The cake is just so soft and moist, and then the frosting is so rich. I love it. And a lot of the times people are like, why are you always holding the cake? Like, I promise, just taking a bite like that is so much better than with a spoon.